everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have a little project to share with you. Now, I've already made this folio with some different paper, and I know you all are looking for a tutorial, and that should come soon. But I used the Graphic 45 Merry and Bright collection. I had some scraps left over after I made a huge mini album. So let me show you this really quick. So this measures 5 inches by 7 inches, and I have a magnetic closure, but it also has a little elastic closure on the top. I added the magnet here just because I felt like it just needed a little more oomph to close it. You could have used a magnet closure instead of the elastic. And so this will open. You'll see I used one of the frames from the frames and tags you get with Graphic 45. I have a couple of 3D stars and some poinsettias that I had in my stash. This will open like that, and you could put a photo here. I'm not going to. I want to keep it simple. And then it'll open like that. And this will open and this will open. But before I do that, I'll show you. So this has a little corner pocket, and it's a good spot to put some of the beautiful cut aparts that come with the collection. I just have a small 3x4 cut apart there. This is, I cut this down and added this from the ephemera and added some bells here to go with the Jingle Bell theme. But that's a great journaling spot. You might want to write Christmas 2024 here, and that's a good way to start your album. And then over here, there are tuck spots where you can add more journaling or more photos. So this will come down like that, and this will go like that. Let me show you that in a second. So here, just a little stamp and just pieces from the ephemera. And the top here, I just put this little band that is just glued on the bottom and the sides. And I put some of those adorable stamps that come with, guess it was the border strip. So here I've got just a little pocket. It's a thin pocket, so I could use this element that came in the ephemera. So there's another cut apart, and that'll open like that. That's a cut apart from the 8x8 paper pad. I cut it down a little bit. We've got a couple of tags here in these pockets, and then this will flip open that way. I love this paper, and you could put something here, but I thought this would be a good spot to put, maybe you write something or add a little photo to there. Now this has a magnetic closure, and I just simply added some cut aparts in here. You could add photos to the backs of those or just add photos in the pocket. Here are some more cut aparts. This I just kept pretty simple. It's a little folder. And then here is just another one of the cut aparts. This has, it's one of the pieces of ephemera, and it's open on the bottom, so you could add one of the cut aparts. And you saw I have a little swing tab here, so this will open this way and one more time. So good spot to put photos or journaling. And this is a little belly band that's just got a couple of pieces of the cut aparts from that smaller 8x8 pad. So that'll close like that. This is open at the bottom. And that is that page. So this I just left the way it is. You can just add some extra pieces of ephemera or cut aparts or just some loose photos if you wanted to. Here's a Christmas tree, which makes an adorable tuck spot. And then again, here we are to where you can add just whatever you want, a small photo, journaling card, or whatever you want for over here. So that goes down like that. These all will close. This closes, this closes, this and that is the back of it. So cute little project. I hope you enjoyed this. I did use again the Graphic 45. This was from leftovers that I had. So and leftovers of the ephemera and the tags and just some things from my stash. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already one of my subscribers. And have a fabulous day.